What's up guys, Meredith with AmericanMuscle.com, and today we are checking out the MP Concepts quarter window louvers in matte black, fitting all 2024 and newer fastback S650 Mustangs. Now louvers offer that classic muscle car look, and this set from MP Concepts will be an affordable and good looking choice to achieve it with. Not only will these be the perfect addition to integrate some sporty and even aggressive styling to the side of your S650, but with the matte black finish, this will allow you to choose whether you'd like to keep the muted blacked out look or customize the color to your personal preference. This choice will have a 5-panel louver construction that will add a lot of dimension to the sides, in addition to a more detailed build compared to some other simple choices, while still achieving that classic appearance. This is also just an easy and non-permanent mod with a tough stick-on construction, so even if you are on the track, you can ensure that these are going to stay in place. These are made of an injection molded black ABS plastic construction. Now ABS is very common for exterior parts because of it being incredibly lightweight, so it's not going to stress the mounting points, and it's resilient, holding up to harsh conditions if your Mustang will ever see them anyway. Now the black matte finish will also be easily paintable with the right paint and prep, whether you want to color match them to your color code or just add a gloss down the line. The kit will also come with double-sided automotive 3M bonding tape, a bonder, and you also are going to have some alcohol pads there. Like I said, with the right prep and installation method, these are going to be durable and withstand your Mustang's high-speed runs. For the kit, these will come in at about $75, and you really can't beat it for such a small but drastic change of the appearance to the car. Again, while this does have that classic look, this set in comparison to others will offer that dimension, will allow you to change the finish if you'd like to, or change the color very easily, and won't require a meticulous install like something like vinyl would. Now, I think if you're looking for some easy and affordable mods to up your Mustang street appeal, then this is going to be right up your alley. Install will be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and should only take you about 30 minutes to get the job done. So at this point, we can head over to our shop and check out a detailed breakdown on how to get these onto your Mustang at home. So that is going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
What's up guys? Today we're installing corner window louvers on our Mustang, so let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is apply double-sided tape to the back of our louvers. We've got an alcohol pad to clean the surface, as well as primer to make sure that we get good adhesion to our tape. So we're going to clean it off, lay down some primer, and then we can stick down our tape. Next we can get our primer and put a layer on where our tape is going to go. And now we're just going to wait for this to dry before we put our tape down. So now we're ready to lay our double-sided tape. We're just going to do 1 strip on each of these 4 sides and use a pair of scissors to cut off the excess. And then you can do that same thing for your other louvers. Now to make this easier when we go to install it, I'm gonna dog ear all of the edges here so that we can stick it down. We can make any adjustments we need before we pull all of the tape off. So we'll just pull up a corner and then bend it so it sticks out past the edge of our louver, and do that for all the rest of your corners. So now we can just line this up. We'll stick it down and then peel all of our backing. Now I'm gonna line it up on this back edge here. And then once you have it where you like it, you can start pulling back your double-sided tape. And then you can repeat that same process on the other side.
So that is going to wrap it up for my review and the install of the MP Concepts quarter window louvers in a matte black finish, fitting all 2024 and newer fastback S650 Mustangs. And you can find these right here at AmericanMuscle.com.